Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a soft reset on your iPhone 17. To do a soft reset here, at first, remember that, take your phone into your hands. Now be prepared because this is quick. Click volume up, volume down, and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo at the middle of the screen. Of course, one after another. Click it one after another. Volume up, volume down, and hold power. Hold it, don't worry about anything, just hold it. Now we can place our iPhone here, and actually this is the whole process of the soft reset. Now we have to wait until our phone boots up. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!